International 711, runway 17 left, wind 210 degrees, 10 knots, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 17 left, UK International 711.
Check.
Approaching 17 left.
Right,
500.
manual, check, manual thrust.
Alright,
Manual
upsort of this
control.
gauge. Check out about this gauge.
Approaching decision height.
Check.
Minimum.
Landing.
Minimums.
Check.
$50, $40, $30, $20, $10.
Speed brake, up, auto brake, in use, reverses.
Turkish 2 Yankee
Normal.
Delta, runway 17 right, wind 200 degrees, 10 knots, clear for takeoff, future star.
Clear for takeoff, runway 17 right. Turkish 2 Yankee Delta, iyi çalışmalar.
Charlie 7 or Charlie 6, whatever you want, the high-speed taxiway.
Check, I see, first left.
60 knots.
Check. Manual braking.
Alright, no auto brake, manual brakes. Charlie 7 first to the left, yeah.
To the left, I see. Charlie 7.
Right.
Okay, 122.6.
Yeah, preset
okay.
after vocational contact.
One ready after landing procedures.
Alright. I'll contact, we'll receive the information about stand and I'll
Agree.
continue with.
Istanbul ground, UK International 711. Hello, with you, round located Charlie 7.
Ukraine International 711, hello, taxi via Charlie, November 1, then Tango 3, your gate Delta 3.
Okay, Charlie, November 1, Tango 3, our gate is Delta 3, UK International 711.
Efendim?
Okay,
November,
first right, Charlie.
first Charlie, November 1 will be after November 2, just
Yep.
Charlie and continue straight ahead.
Straight ahead.
Okay, I'll perform the out.